Are you looking for the best printer under $150? In this video we will look at some of the best printer under $150 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson Expression Home XP 5100. Epson never leaves you behind even if you're low on budget. The Epson XP 5100 is a nifty printer to print colorful documents straightforwardly. If your printing needs require printing, scanning, and copying simultaneously, then Epson XP 5100 should be your first priority. The printer is suitable for family use because it isn't bulky that requires a separate space to store. You can fit it on your office desk as well as on your home desk. Out of the box, the printer was easy to set up and a CD was there to provide the instructions. The small LCD display was handy in setting up the printer initially over the Wi-Fi network. Also, the navigation panel was straightforward and convenient to provide titling for standing users. Moreover, we connected iPhone within no time. Also, we observed there was no need to connect the printer to the PC for printing because if you have a mobile device or even a memory card, you can utilize them directly. Number 2. HP Envy 6455e Wireless Color. A plethora of handy features, low cost per print on HP Ink subscription, and auto document feeder. The HP Envy 6455e is the most convenient printer on our list. If you print bulk documents and want to save bucks on the inks too, then HP Envy should be your best friend. Because it is HP Instant Ink eligible, which saves printing costs exceptionally. At the glance, the printer seems to be equipped with a robust body, snazzy look, lightweight, compact, and convenient. The setup of the printer can be executed without a laptop using HP Smart App. But it didn't have any clear instructions to set up the printer. We observed the setup wasn't straightforward as the Epson XP had. While the printer is not equipped with any slot for USB or memory card printing, but thanks to the self-healing wireless connection, the cartridge system was exactly what we can expect from a compact printer. The dual cartridge system, tricolor, and black wasted the ink, which lead to its cost per print being very expensive. We determined its color cost per print was 20 cents, which is hell expensive, but thanks to the HP Ink subscription it significantly saved our bucks. Number 3. Canon Pixma TR 4520. Designed for entry-level printing, suitable for home use and slight office work. The Canon Pixma TR 4520 is an all-in-one printer best for photo printing especially. At first sight, the printer had a robust build body and had very minimal weight to be portable. The connectivity was admirable and you can easily connect the printer with a laptop, mobile, and a plethora of print apps including Mopria, Message Print App, AirPrint, and Canon Print App. The printer doesn't come with a very advanced control panel but is equipped with a basic monochrome display and some navigational buttons. The setup of the printer didn't require any technical steps, though you can use drivers to get maximum convenience via Pixma software. When keeping an eye on the paper handling capacity, it only offered 100 sheets, similar to the HP Envy 6455e. On the other hand, its elder sibling TR 7520, which is a bit expensive, offered us 200 sheets. Number 4. HP DeskJet 4155e. One of the cheapest printers on our list, though isn't equipped with a plethora of features, but if your initial pocket price is low, then the HP DeskJet 4155e is your companion. HP DeskJet 4155e is the successor of HP DeskJet 4155. They aren't distinct from each other but only have a slight difference in resolution. Other than that, they both offer similar features and performance. So far the setup was a bit miserable for non-tech savvy, but thanks to the wireless connectivity, HP Print App, and instructions which straightforwardly help out to set up the printer. The printer is equipped with AIO features to print, scan, and copy from HP Smart App as well as for Windows and iOS. Moreover, Google Cloud Printing was also convenient for directly printing Google Docs and Sheets. However, we won't admire its printing speed even though we won't consider it mediocre because its printing speed was relatively slower than the above-mentioned printers even though its predecessor provided a bit high ppm in both monochrome and color printing. So far we observed its monochrome printing speed was only 6 ppm and color at 3 ppm both have poor speed considerably. Number 5. HP LaserJet MFP M140we. HP, however, has high-end laser printers which cannot be included in the list of printers under $150, but HP LaserJet MFP M140we is a wireless laser printer at a cheap price. The above-mentioned brother printer undoubtedly is one step ahead of the LaserJet MFP M140we printer. Because this printer has significantly less speedy printing than the brother printer. There is a significant difference in printing speed. HP LaserJet MFP M140we provided 21 ppm printing speed of monochrome documents, relatively 12 ppm slower than brother HL L2350DW. You can directly print from the HP Smart app using the Windows platform as well as your cell phone and maintain the printer with ease. The setup of the printer didn't require a tech savvy, but you can easily configure the printer even if you're using a Mac. You can set it up within 30 minutes. You can use a wireless connection as well as USB to connect your devices in order to print from them. Lacks an auto document feeder. Scanning, printing, and copying can be a hassle if you've got the tasks for bulk printing.